Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to share some secret tips about YouTube Shorts. In previous my YouTube short is not viral, but you see here my YouTube Shorts get 78.2k views and YouTube search is 1.0k views. So let's start my video. So you see here option 78k views in my get video in YouTube Shorts. So how to get? So first open my channel and I explain that is necessary or that is not necessary. So you see here description, so you check here description is related to your video, and you see here there is no tag add in your YouTube short. So in this way I can clearly that short for shorts video there is no need any tags. So must you need is average percentage view is necessary to viral your YouTube shorts. That is must present in your YouTube shorts. In this way you easily you viral YouTube shorts any. So you must create a suspense in your video, that is cause to increase your percentage every view. In this way you easily viral your YouTube shorts. So do not forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel.